Hello, I am Vikas Kumar Upadhyay and I am a student of Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and I pursue my degree in BCA CTIS third year. And today I am going to present my internship review on web designing. Before I start explaining my project, let me give you a brief idea of my company where I am doing my internship. My company name is SamWeb Studio. It is situated in Delhi and it's basically works on graphic designing, web development, digital marketing, etc. So let's start. Uh, First we discuss about contents. Contents is first is introduction, then we talk about objective of projects, then roles and responsibilities, then technology used in projects, project brief, software requirements, and references. Introduction of this project. In this project, I am making a restaurant website. I have used many technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. In HTML, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is to design web pages using a markup language. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup languages. HTML defines the link between the pages. And CSS. CSS means cascading style sheets, fondly referred to as CSS is a simply designed language intended to simplify the process of making and objective of projects. Objective of project is first is the principal objective of my website is always be to attract customers to your restaurant and as such as online booking function is the most essential features. Then second it gives a restaurant the platform to tell their own story in their own words. uh, Customers will get a good idea of who you are as well as get an idea of the overall atmosphere of the restaurant. Then third is the purpose of restaurant website is to help customer choose you over other attires. Then web designing. Web designing is the process of creating a website. It can be for an e-commerce site or blog, but anything related to the appearance of a website falls under the design umbrella. Then elements of web design. Web design use many of the same key visual elements as all types of design such as first is layout, then second is color. Layout, this is the way the graphics and text are arranged in the web world. A key goal is to help the view find the information they seek at a glance. Then color. The choice of colors depends upon the purpose and client. It could be simple black and white to multicolor design, conveying the personality of a person or the brand of an organization using web safe colors. Then web design for user friend friendliness. These need to be placed working with the color and content of the web pages while not making it too congested or slow to load. And graphics. Graphics can include logos, photos, clip art or icons, all of which enhance the web design. For user friendliness, these need to be placed appropriately working with their color and content of the web pages. Then fonts. The use of various fonts can enhance a website design. Most web browser can only read a select number of fonts, known as web safe fonts. Technology used in this project. In this project, I have used many technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Now talk about project brief. In this project, I am making a restaurant website. I have used many technologies like HTML, CSS3, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And Bootstrap. Uh, Bootstrap is a free and open source tool collection for creating responsive website and web application. It is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile-first websites. And JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. It is used for responsive web designing. In my project, I designed one web page. First is header. A website header sites at the top of each pages and serves a few very important purpose. This does more than provide a place for your logo. It is a part of consistent user experience that all good websites share. Then second is footer. A website footer is an area located at the bottom of every page on a website below the main body content. Then third is slider. The term slider is used to for a slideshow added into a web page. Sliders can be used on all kind of websites. However, the most commonly used business websites or professional portfolio websites. This is my project status. I work on this project. I'm making header and software requirements. Software requirement in this project are I am using Adobe Dreamweaver software to build my restaurant website. For second is Adobe Dreamweaver. Then third is Adobe Dreamweaver is a software for designing web pages. These HTML web pages are fully featured. Then fourth is it becomes very easy to set up a website and the starter templates can be run very fast. Then last one is using Adobe Dreamweaver responsive website can build that can be fit into any screen size. These are some references. First is Barbonares and Durocher JF 2010 successfully restaurant design. Then second is Powell T 2002. And these are many references. Thank you.